welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So, I don't know if this is a trend or what it is, but I've noticed that people have been using deep conditioner as their leave-in, and I'm kind of curious about it. I don't know, but let's test it out. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Powered Treatment, and this is it right here. And for my styler, I'm going to be using the Line Xtreme Gel. I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out, so let's get started. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let my hair down. So I have finished putting in the deep conditioner and the gel in my hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let it air dry, and I'll come back with the results. All right guys, so I'm back and my hair is 100% dry and I'm actually really loving these results. My hair feels really soft and moisturized, and I feel like it looks really good. It's not flat at all, which I was a little nervous about because the deep conditioner is a little bit on the heavier side, but I think thinning it out with the water really helped not weigh my hair down, and I didn't put too much of a crazy amount of gel, and I feel like it was just enough. Like, I got the definition, the volume, there's no frizz. I'm happy. I'm happy with the results. I'm definitely gonna try this again. My hair feels moisturized and soft. It doesn't feel dry. So yeah, let me get closer just so you can see like my hair. Let me know what you guys think of the results in the comments down below. Are you gonna give this a try? Have you already tried it? Am I like super late on this or what? If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me, because you know you do. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!